Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm, buttery roll that's so fluffy it practically melts in your mouth. That's the magic of Parker House rolls, the ultimate dinner roll for your holiday table or any special occasion. These iconic rolls have a rich history dating back to the Omni Parker House Hotel in Boston. Legend has it that an angry baker accidentally created these rolls by baking a batch of unfinished dough, resulting in their signature folded shape. To make these delectable rolls, you'll need whole milk, salted butter, sugar, active dry yeast, eggs, all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, and flaky salt. The combination of these simple ingredients creates a dough that's both rich and tender. The process of making Parker House rolls is straightforward but requires a bit of patience. First, you'll create a milk and butter mixture, then proof the yeast. Next, you'll make the dough using a stand mixer. Let it rise until doubled in size, shape it into its characteristic folded form, and let it rise again. Finally, you'll bake the rolls to golden perfection and brush them with more butter and a sprinkle of flaky salt. Here are some helpful tips for your Parker House roll adventure. You can make the dough ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to bake. If you want to plan even further ahead, you can freeze the shaped dough for up to 4 months. Just be sure to allow enough time for thawing and rising before baking. These rolls are versatile and pair wonderfully with a variety of dishes. They're perfect for soaking up gravy at your Thanksgiving feast, ideal for making mini sandwiches with leftover turkey or short ribs, and delicious alongside a comforting bowl of chicken noodle soup or tortellini soup. So why not elevate your next meal with these heavenly Parker House rolls? Your family and friends will be impressed by your baking skills, and you'll love how these rolls transform an ordinary dinner into something truly special. Happy baking!